To mount the Stic-It, we start by locating the levelmost part of the window. Most often, it's the front part of the rear window, but it varies from car to car. We pick that level spot to get the best rotation motion. Can either put the whole Stic-It on at one time or place the clip on the window, sneak under here, raise the window, firmly locking the clip and pull into position. What's key at this point is to lock the windows before driving. That will prevent the Stic-It from flying off while the car is in motion. We then simply slide the panel in place, snap it into position, and ensure that it rotates towards the rear of the car. In this case, I'm on the driver's side. It's the same on the passenger side. If you inadvertently place the panel on the front side of the stop, once you get to about 25 miles an hour, it jumps over the stop with that snapping sound, and then it's back in the preferred 90-degree rotating position. Let's say I get to a parking lot and I want to take my message off. I simply place my thumb on the top, raising with my other fingers the panel, sliding it off to release it. When I get back to the car, I can quickly and easily snap it back into position, and then I'm ready to go.